Hey guys, today's December the 19th of 2013. I want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions, and know that this is an educational video only. So with that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, so we can see that the world markets, you see the euro got a nice pop, and Asia kind of was mixed. Uh, 95, 100, 1.10%. So Nikkei got a pop, and we're going to see what the U.S. is going to do. So they kind of both positive, only Asia was kind of mixed with the FOMC. Forex wise, you see the euro, it's down 0.11%, and that's a 1 day relative performance. If we go to week performance, it's already down to a 0.49%. So it's getting a little weaker. This is the weak is the Aussie. So it's losing strength. The pound is getting a good good pop, and that's based on the week. And then on the month, you're still up 1%, but it looks like it's just creeping lower. We're negative on the day, and on the week, we're already 0.49. So that's not looking good. On the calendar, you can see that we got this big report coming out at 9 Central Time. That's 10 Eastern Time. And that's the existing home sales and the Philly Fed. That's going to move the market, and that could bring volatility to the euro. So you got to keep an eye on that time when these reports come out. Let's get into the charts. As you can see right now, the FOMC meeting yesterday brought some action. I got stopped out from my long. So now I'm just watching. I'm waiting for this euro to see what it's going to do now. If we pop in our Gann bar swing chart, you see that now we're on a down. We got the red in, so now this is heading down, heading south. These things up here, these are my shorts. This is now where, if you were short, this is where you have your stops at. And if you're long, you can see that your ATR got stopped out. I got stopped out here because I had my low below this candle right here, like 37.08 around there. And I got stopped out. And I'm waiting. This is a trend line that I have that I'm watching. It's from here to here. You see the weakness? I'm waiting for to see if it gets up there and if it kisses it. If it could kiss it, then, and fail it, then I'm going to get in. So I'm like waiting for something to go like this, like that, and if it fails it, then get in it and do that. But if it continues going higher, then I might just jump in. But it's all gonna depend right here what's gonna happen. If we put our Andrews pitchfork, you see that you're still in the channel on the upper swing channel, so you're good. You're gonna have to crack this, and if we have the other one, you're still good because you're on this channel here. So you're still positive in regards to the Andrews pitchfork, but in the trend line, you got weak. You got a little weak there. Price retracement wise, you cracked the 25%, which was right here from this swing high to swing low, is to 36.97. So that's it's nothing. This is a big one. 25% is there. If you had the other retracement level, you kissed the 25 at the 36.49 from here to here. So that's where is that at. The next level to watch would be this 50 right here, which is at 35.63. And if you had another one, you get a cluster of two swings there. So 35.63 is your next key level to watch on the downside. If there's anything else, yeah, that's about it. So yeah, so that's it. I think for this chart, I don't think there's anything else I wanted to show you that I have here. Yep, that's it. Let's look at the. You can see the currency map. Everything is selling now. The dollar's getting a massive pop. I know the pound was up and now it's down. So I'm sure if you look at the DX, which is right here, this is the futures. It's 880. So yeah, you're getting a pop. So all the currencies are selling. But let's focus on the euro. Let's close this and let's look at the grid. Kind of get a better picture of what just happened. Okay, so this is the grid. This is my 220 simple moving average, that yellow one, 50, and the 100. You're failing it. You're failing it here. This would be a nice support too. You got the 20 holding you now, but you got the 50 here, so you got the 3607, and you got this angle right here, which is a 3600 right now, somewhere around there, 3600. This is the 1x1. This is the strongest angle. You fail this, you're gonna go down here to the 3490, and you got the 100 simple moving average, and you got the 200 there. If we look at our monthly grid, I've been saying it all along. This is an issue for the euro. That angle right there. Look at it right there. You know, it could pop. Found support there. Fail right there. This angle, it's the problem for the euro. And then, you know, the other chart I showed you, it has to keep that 1x1. If not, you're going to find support here at this angle, which you can see that it's respecting it because that's a monthly candle and it stopped right there. And it stopped right there. So someone knows about this angle, or it's just somewhere in there in every trader's software, somehow in some shape or form. But if we continue going lower, 35.41 will probably be a good support on that one. If we glance this chart, and we're going to go straight to, you can see the daily action here. You found support to 20. Nothing's really changed. The only thing, you got a downside and you got a PPS sell signal. So the turn, it looks like it could probably get a pop, and if you get a failed new high, that'd probably be a good place to get in. But I wanted to show you was the monthly. See, this is the monthly. This is a Kumo cloud, and this is where we've been having issues. So now prices are pushing lower because we can't get higher, and that's pretty much, you know, the way it goes trading wise. Big picture, and let's see what we got. Monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. Maybe I forgot to tell you, today is a pivot turn date for me for the euro. That's why I'm watching it like a hawk. And tomorrow. These are two dates that are important in regards to the Gann emblem and the square of 9 and, you know, square of 4. If you follow WD Gann's technique. So just want to show you that this is, the hit came yesterday, but we'll see what's going to happen the 19th and the 20th. See that it failed the 20. You're right here. Yeah, everything is pretty much negative on the 12-hour. This is starting to get red, so this is starting to show weakness. Not fully, but you're still over the 50, so that's good. On the daily, you know, you got the equinox coming up this Saturday, and you got a sell signal, and you're below mobile band. So that's weakness here and here in regards to price action. And the signal's already telling you MACD pushing lower, CCI is negative, the Fisher sell, everything oversold, short term, TTM, wave, everything. And this needs to just start turning like this to get negative. On the weekly, nothing's really changed. Nothing's really changed on the weekly. Same thing as monthly. Well, you got a signal here, a Fisher signal to sell. Not to sell, but that the turn is starting to tip over slowly. You know, they start building up like that, and then they get like that, and then that's when the whole turn kicks in, and they look like that. So that's just the beginning stages of that. That's it. Nothing's really. Just watching to see what this euro is going to do now. If it's going to kiss that trend line up there and get back up there again, or is it going to push lower and find support here at the 50 and at that Fibonacci level or percentage level, which is a 37.5. So right now I'm on the sidelines watching, got stopped out, And let's see what the action brings today. Good trading for you guys. Make some pips, and I'll keep you posted on what I see in the euro. Peace.